everyone, we're going to find the area of the region shared by these two circles, r equals 1 and r equals 2 sine of theta. So for r equals 1, I did a little quick sketch here. It's not perfect, but r equals 1 is my red circle. And r equals 2 sine of theta is my blue circle. We have intersections here at pi divided by 6 and 5 pi divided by 6. And real quick, the way you find the intersections is you set these equal to each other. 2 sine of theta equals 1. So sine of theta equals 1/2. And that occurs when theta is pi divided by 6 or 5 pi divided by 6. So there's where that comes from. Let's also notice from the graph that it's symmetric to our line pi divided by 2. So it's symmetric here. Now we're going to have to set up our integral given here. So what we're going to do is set it up as from 0, the integral from 0 to pi divided by 6 for this piece here. Right in there. That's going to be for sine. So this is going to be 1/2 of 2 sine of theta. Then we're going to square it, d theta. All right. Because that part is, you kind of go up there for that. Now for the other part, let's do some purple. This area, this is going to be for your pi divided by 6 to pi divided by 2. So we're going to add that. So this is going to be the integral from pi divided by 6 to pi divided by 2, 1/2 of 1 squared d theta. All right. Also, since we're only getting half of the area, because remember we have this half as well, we're going to multiply this whole thing by 2. So we can just multiply whatever we get. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. If you notice, when you multiply 2 by each of these 1/2s are going to go away. So now we're going to get the integral from 0 to pi divided by 6. Square this out. This is going to be 4 sine squared of theta d theta. And then we're going to have plus the integral from pi divided by 6 to pi divided by 2. Remember, 2 times 1/2 is 1, so these all go away. And we're going to get 1 times d theta. All right, and the next step is to use your trig identity here to simplify this because it makes integration easier. So basically, I'm going to kind of sketch this in. So we have 0 to pi divided by 6. And this is going to be 4 times 1/2. And then you're going to have 1 minus cosine of 2 theta d theta. Now this is going to be 2. So basically, you're going to get the integral from 0 to pi divided by 6 of 2 minus 2 cosine of 2 theta d theta plus this part. All right, at this stage we can integrate this. So let's go ahead and do that. This is going to be theta for this. So let's go and integrate. So we're going to get 2 theta minus sine 2 theta. We're evaluating this from 0 to pi divided by 6. And the other piece we had plus theta. And we're evaluating this from pi divided by 6 to pi divided by 2. All right. So for this piece, we're going to get 2 times pi divided by 6 minus sine times 2 pi divided by 6. All right, and the 0 will just go away. And this is going to be plus pi divided by 2 minus pi divided by 6. All right, so for this piece, we're going to get, this is going to be pi divided by 3 minus sine of pi divided by 3. And this is going to be plus pi divided by 3, this piece here. And sine of pi divided by 3 is square root of 3 divided by 2. So add these two up, and you're going to get 2 pi divided by 3 minus this part, which is square root of 3 divided by 2. This equals your area shared by the two circles. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.